Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing extremely good. Sorry guys for not being shooting sessions and the series of Python from long back. I guess it's been 2 to 3 months I have not shooted any videos like the session videos because I was really busy in my research work. Then again, my student was asking and requesting me to shoot the next sessions. They was really requesting me. So here I am with the next session of Python level 2. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, so please get subscribed and press the bell icon so you will never miss any update for the upcoming videos and tutorial. So let's get started. Today, guys, we are going to learn about Lambda. Lambda is a function in Python, basically, okay? So if we talk about Lambda, basically, you can say it's a small anonymous function. Okay, why we call it as anonymous function? Because it has like no name, right? Like it, you cannot give any name to this function, and that's why it's called as anonymous function, right? So what is the syntax to define this function? If we talk about the syntax, so you have to say lambda arguments, whatever the arguments you want to pass, then colon, and then whatever is your expression. Expression is like, for example, expression is something like a plus b, right? This is the expression. If I say a minus b minus c, so this is something in expression. This is called as expression. What is called as arguments? We will check it out. Okay, so basically lambda is something which takes only one expression and number of arguments, right? It's take what? Number of arguments with only one expression. Okay, this is the rule of lambda function. Okay, now let's see how does it works in real time. So here I am using Python ideally. Currently I'm using MacBook. I have also shooted all the videos on Windows. It's almost the same. So I don't think there will be any doubt or like any difficulty when you will watch this video and do the same thing on your Windows laptop, because it will be the same. So let's get started. We'll take a very simple example. Let's take x is equals to lambda a colon a plus 10. Okay. And then what I will say is print x in bracket 5. Okay, not s, it's x. Okay, now how I will save this? I will click on run module. Okay, if you want to run it using the shortcut key, you can directly say control plus F5. So on desktop, I have created one folder, and that is Python programs. So basically here I will just say lambda underscore functions. Okay, so this is how I save my program. Now it's giving me 15 answer. How it's giving me the 15 answer? Let's see and have a look at the program. X. Basically, what is X here? X is a variable which I created. Okay, then lambda a, which is the function here? This lambda a is the anonymous function, right? You can change it, right? Okay, it has no name, so you can obviously you can change it, right? Basically, the keyword which we are using is lambda, like we have studied about def, that is defining the function. So how it was def, and we used to give the name of the function, let's say add. Okay, so what was def? It was the keyword, and add was the function name. Same like here, lambda and a is what? The name of it, right? Done. So now what I have done, a, so this is what? This is your arguments, right? This is the arguments and this is the expression. What I want to do is I want to say a plus 10. What will be the value of a here? The value of a is here what? 5, right? So 5 plus 10 is how much? 15, right? So basically it is giving me the addition. Now let's change something. Let's say here instead of 5, let's say 10, and instead of plus, let's say minus. Okay, now let's again run module, click OK, 0. Why? Because the value of x becomes how much? Sorry, not the value of x, the value of a become how much? 10. Okay, and what does it say? a minus 10. So value of a is how much? 10. So 10 minus 10 is how much? 0. So it is printing 0, right? What I said is you can take number of what? Number of arguments with one expression, right? Now what I will do, I will make some changes to my program. Let's say I want to say y is equals to lambda a comma b, right? Colon a multiply by b, right? Okay. Now see, the expression is here only one, but I am taking number of arguments, right? The number of variables, the objects I am passing is how much? Two, but the expression is only one, right? Even I can say here comma c also, right? So here what it will be? Multiply by c. Okay. And then what I will say here, simply I want to print the value of y. I will pass the three values, the value of a, the value of b, and the value of c. That is 2, 3, 1, right? So lambda function takes only how many? Number of arguments with only one expression, right? You cannot have like number of expressions in one go. You can have only one expression, but you can pass number of arguments, right? That is the advantage of the lambda function. Now let's run it. This is something very simple we are doing with lambda function, because I know most of the viewers are from the background which like very non-technical background. When we will learn in detail, we'll go more in detail and depth. Okay, so see 6, why it's printing 6? The output is giving 6. Why? Because 2 3s is 6 and 6 1s is 6, right? Basically we are doing just the like a normal calculation, right? Normal calculation only we are doing, but we are using lambda function because it's a single line function, and it is called as also small anonymous function. It has no name, and also you can use it in mathematical calculation. Most of the time this lambda function is used in mathematical calculation. I hope this is clear. And if you have any doubt, let me know. And also follow my YouTube channel, like, share, and subscribe if you are a friend who wants to learn Python. So share this channel with them so they can also learn Python for free. Thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed. Bye bye. Take care.